Hi, this is Kevin Martini, and I am a mortgage lender here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And welcome to my blog. I call it the MartiniFactor. Okay, this is the most important post of the year on the MartiniFactor today. If you are a buyer, this will maximize your cash and make your offer in conjunction with a Kevin Martini pre-approval letter the strongest possible. If you are a seller, this will preserve your equity. And if you are a realtor, after watching this brief video, you have a ninja secret that will help your clients even more. So what is the topic, you say? Low to no cost mortgages. That's it. So you think they're a myth? Folks, they are a reality. This week alone, my clients have won deals using this strategy, and it is the best kept secret. Many don't want me to share it, but I must, because at the end of the day, my goal is to get you the lowest cost of borrowing. So where do I start? Number one, if you are a buyer, you need to have a very candid conversation with your lender. Your lender should not be a salesman. They can have a little bit of personality like me, but they need to be a trusted advisor like me too. I will warn you, there are just lenders out there, and then there are great ones like me. If you are working with me already, may I take this opportunity to say thank you? And since we're already working together, you and I have already had that candid discussion. But we are most likely, not everyone has that relationship. So if you are not working with me, that is very sad, and I invite you to call me at 919-274-3700. Okay, here's the 411. A mortgage is a financial instrument. It's just like a stock or a bond that you buy and put in your portfolio. It needs to fit into your short and long-term objectives. You see, I understand my client's credit. I know the payment that they want. I know what payment they feel comfortable with. I know their short and long-term goals. I know how long they're going to live in a house. I understand their current and future earnings. I understand their assets. Without knowing all these facts, how can somebody really help you? If a doctor gave a prescription without examination, that would be malpractice. You see, there are several options with a mortgage. Back to topic. A traditional, a low cost, or a no cost. Yes, there is no such thing as a free lunch, I promise you. So let me kind of explain. But first, let's establish a benchmark. Let's assume a $300,000 house, putting 20% down with excellent credit. The lowest rate is going to actually be reserved for a traditional mortgage. This is where the client pays all those traditional costs associated with securing a mortgage. The traditional option carries, say for example, a rate of 4%. And let's say for example, realistically, the closing costs are $3,500. That means the principal and interest payment is $1,145. So now the low cost provides a slightly higher rate. You see, the bank pays me a rebate when I charge a higher than market rate. I use that rebate to pay a portion of the closing costs. So in the Kevin Martini low-cost world, your closing costs are reduced to $1,950, and the rate is increased only a quarter, hence a rate of 4.25. That means the principal and interest payment is only $1,180.66. Listen, I agree with you. The rate is slightly higher. Yes, I agree with you. The payment is slightly higher, $34.86 more. However, you save $1,550. Now, how does the Kevin Martini no-cost mortgage work? It works the same way as the low-cost. You see, in the example, the rate would be elevated to 4.5, and the payment would be $1,216.04. Yes, that's $70.25 more. However, and I love the word however, the closing cost would be $0. That saves you $3,500 in closing costs. How many times have I heard about a deal falling apart because of $1,500 or $3,000? It doesn't have to happen anymore. You just need a little bit of the Martini factor. If you are a buyer, call me so we can discuss this strategy. If you are selling a home, please reach out to me so I can be prepared to help you when that offer comes in. And if you are one of my realtor partners or a realtor seeing the Martini Factor for the first time, I invite you to reach out to me so I can help you, your buyers and sellers. My name is Kevin Martini. I'm here to help. After all, it's not just a house, it's a home. Do me a favor. Above, you're going to see an opportunity where you can actually comment. please comment. And down below, you'll see where you can actually forward this to the Twitter or to the Facebook. Please do. And on the left-hand side, it would be amazing if you go ahead and subscribe to the Martini Factor. I'm Kevin Martini, and thanks so much for watching the Martini Factor. Have an amazing day.